This is my baby robot who makes me laugh because he bumps into things. I'm like really confused and lost. Come on! Where are you going? What a silly robot. Oh! Get a level view. Where's he going? There's my Roomba, who's been cleaning that side of the room most of the time. I have no idea why. It's so thrilled to clean that. Come on, Roomba. There's more room. Come on. Aww. Oh, there he goes. Where you going? Where you go? Silly. Oh, here he comes, coming to me. Oh, oh. Hi, Roomba. Okay. Enjoy yourself. Oh, here he's coming to me. Ah! And this is the third time he's been there. I have no idea why. That corner is so dirty. Where are you going? Ah! Oh my god. Okay. Say bye-bye, Roomba. Bye.